Now, one of my favorite features of the Behringer Wing console is being able to use a tablet or an iPad to control it wirelessly from anywhere in the building that you are in. Now, if you're new here, my name's Harley. I am so glad that you're here. Please stick around and we will dive right into some of my favorite features of this console. Now, really quick, let's go over how to set this up to where you can control your Behringer Wing from a tablet or an iPad. First, all you're gonna need is a Wing console, a router, and a Cat 5 cable. So all you're gonna do is plug it into one of your 4 ports on the back of your router with a Cat 5 cable, and then into the back of your console through the network port. Now, one of my favorite features of this Behringer Wing console is being able to use an iPad or a tablet to wirelessly control the whole soundboard and mix front of house from anywhere in the building that you're in. Now, to get started, all you have to do is download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now, I already have it downloaded on here, so I'm just gonna open it up. And from here, it's gonna load for a second. And now it's scanning for the console. This is all in real time. I'm just gonna click my X-Church Wing console and bam, it's connected. Now, from here, all you have to do is go up to this hamburger menu button, and you can do your performance setup. So that's changing your icons, your colors, your names of channels, all that stuff. Then you can go into control and metering, and you can check all of your meters. And then you have your personal monitoring, which this is much like the MixQ app that Behringer also has, that allows your band members to control their in-ears wirelessly. If you'd like to check out a video on that, please click the card up here, and that will direct you to that video, and you can learn how to control that as well. You can go to front of house. Now, this has all of your channels 1 through 12, 12 through 13, your bus mixes, and your main matrix. So what does that mean? Well, that means you can mix from anywhere in the building. That is so cool. So, for example, why is this important? Now, I can be troubleshooting something up there on the stage. I can figure out why the cable's not working, why I'm not getting keys signal, something like that. I can mute it, unmute it, all from up there without having to walk back and forth and all that. It's a really, really cool feature, and it's gonna save you a lot of time. And you can walk around your room, check your EQ, check your volumes, see if anything's different, make sure everything's lining up, and it gets you out of the booth and moving, which is always good. Lastly, it has a couple more features. So if you go back to your menu button, you can go to your SD card recorder. I don't have an SD card in here. If I did, I would be able to record it from right here and control all that. And lastly, it shows you your network, and this is the main screen that it pops up on when you open the app. And it shows you my IP address, the firmware that I'm running, and all that. As you can see, this is a very valuable feature that you can utilize with a tablet or an iPad to help level up your audio and make your gatherings a distraction-free worship environment. I hope you got valuable information out of this, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.